Hey babies, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. Today guys, I am going to be doing a one curling of my hair tutorial. You know, I like to clip my leave out first, and then I'm just gonna go straight in and start sectioning off my hair, and I'm going to start one curling my hair. I'm taking small sections and I'm just wrapping my hair around the wand curler. I got this wand curler from Sally's. I think I got it on a sale. I know it wasn't expensive. It was not expensive, but I got this wand curler from Sally's. I'll have the name of it listed in the description box below if that's something you all will be interested in. And it's not really much to wand curling. I'll just twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping, and you're just doing that the whole time. And I'm just taking small sections, and I really liked it the way this turned out. I like wand curls when they fall more. I don't really like them when they kind of tight. Do y'all like y'all wand curls when they tight, or will you like them when they loose? Because I like mine when they're a little bit looser. But I was definitely feeling these. I don't usually wear wand curls, but I wanted to give it a try today. So just stay tuned for the video, guys. I'm going to be doing some dancing. I'm going to try to keep it fun in this video, honey. Do a little toot toot and a little woot woot. No, I'm playing, y'all. But I just wanted to have fun while I was doing this video. I definitely didn't want it to be stale, because I feel like some tutorials be real stale. But I definitely hope you all enjoy the video. Stay tuned. And these are my wand curls after finishing one side. I was really in love with these wand curls. Look at that shine. Look at that bounce, honey. And I had no product on my hair. Like, no product on my weave. Like, look at that. Whoa. Hey, whoa. Hey. I'm just having fun. But no, I really didn't have any product on my hair. I literally just shampooed my hair with some Tresemme shampoo, and I didn't even condition it. I just shampooed it, and of course no product like I said, but I did go in with some product for my leave out. Y'all know I can't go out bad with my leave out. I gotta put some type of something on my leave out, because it gotta be able to blend in with that weave. So now, speaking of leave out, let's start working on that leave out. I'm going to take my Isotin spray. I'm going to spray it all over my leave out. I'm going to work it in, make sure it's distributed evenly across my strands, against the roots, the ends of the tips. I'm also going to take my Care stick. I'm going to brush that product in so that it gets distributed. No strands left behind. Y'all got to make sure that product gets distributed evenly so that you get the best out of the product. And then I'm going to take my small babyless flat irons. I like the small ones sometimes because it gets close against the roots, and it also don't get real hot either. So I know some of y'all probably be like, oh, why you use so much heat on your hair? You need to get into a frontal or a closure. Shut up, because I just want to use this for right now, okay? So just let me be, okay? I want to let my hair be left out. Like, this is just what I'm digging right now. And I promise y'all, frontals and leave outs, that's coming soon. But for right now, I think I'm probably about the only YouTuber still doing videos with my leave out. Like, y'all don't leave me hanging now. So I know everybody is so into frontals and closures now, but if you like me and you still into leave outs, y'all comment down. I'm a leave out girl. Comment down LOG, leave out girl, or leave out gang. Either way, we in it bit, like we ain't going nowhere. We are still here. So once I'm done one curling my leave out and the rest of the perimeter weave that surrounds my leave out, I'm just going to take the wand and I'm going to add some height to my curls in the front. I like to do that now. I don't know. I guess because people been doing it with their frontals and I like how I look with that. But I like the height thing. I don't know. It was cute to me. So I'm just going to add that, and then I'm going to take some of my 24-hour even edge control. I'm going to put that on my edges, and then I'm going to take edge control toothbrush, or just a regular old toothbrush that I have, and I'm just going to lay my edges. After we're done with that, I'm just going to take some finishing spray and spray my hair. Well, mostly just my leave out to add a little bit of shine and help control the frizz. I'm going to comb my leave out into my curls a little bit more. And then after that, y'all, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. Leave a comment down below if you love and support your girl, and also let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Do you want to see some makeup tutorials? Do you want to get into some more hair tutorials? Do you finally want me to try to go get a frontal and a closure? Y'all want me to probably get a frontal or closure, but y'all ain't let me know who sell the best ones. Like, who got some good frontals or closures? Like, I think everybody is getting into those HD frontals and stuff, and I really do want to try that. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but I want to try it. So y'all let me know who got them. Anyways, I love y'all. Bye.